Upgrading your LMS is quick and straightforward. In this video, we will walk you through the key things you need to know and how to complete the upgrade with ease. The upgrade is being rolled out between March 1st and the 14th. You will receive a notification via email when your system is ready to proceed. If you are currently in our Learning Labs program and have enabled preview for everyone, your system will automatically upgrade on the 1st of March. When you are notified, you will then have a 4-month window to upgrade. If you have not completed the process by the 30th of June, your LMS will be upgraded automatically. The setup process typically takes just 30 minutes to an hour, but you can take your time to ensure everything is configured as needed. Before you upgrade, here are a few important things to keep in mind. Once you click Go Live, you will not be able to return to the old UI, so make sure you're ready before proceeding. Some admin features will remain in the current design. We're actively working to update all features, so expect updates to drop very soon. And just a reminder, if you do not go through the upgrade process before the 30th of June, you'll be auto-upgraded onto the system. Multiple admins can collaborate with you throughout the upgrade, making it easier to prepare. So feel free to add in your colleagues to ensure everything looks great before you go live. The first thing to point out, every module and course now requires an image. If no image is uploaded, one will be auto-assigned based on tags which may not always be relevant. To avoid this, upload or select suitable images manually via the Details tab of all pieces of learning. When you're ready to begin the upgrade, here is what you will need to do. Go to your LMS settings from the navigation bar and select System, and then Site Settings. Click the Get Started button that you'll find in the Upgrade to Access LMS Evo banner at the top of the page and hit Start Upgrade. Navigate to the Engagement section in your Admin Hub via the navigation bar, then select Homepage Designer. Here you'll discover spotlights, engaging welcome screens that will greet your users upon logging in. And the Customizable Belts feature allows you and your team to create dynamic content rows that not only display required learning materials or mandated learning, but also strategically highlight and promote specific courses or upcoming events you want to bring to your users' attention. And don't worry, as you and your team work on setting everything up, your users' experience will remain unaffected. They will only see the changes when you fully upgrade. So feel free to take your time and get everything set up at your own pace. When your content images, belts, and spotlights are ready, and you're happy to proceed with the upgrade, from the Admin Hub, navigate to the top right and click Go Live. Upgrading is permanent. You won't be able to go back to the old system, so ensure you're ready before proceeding. Once triggered, the countdown will then start, and the conversion will begin. Once completed, you and all your users will then be seamlessly transitioned over to the Access LMS Evo upgrade, and everyone will be able to take advantage of the upgrade immediately. So to finish, ensure you've created your homepage belts, checked your content images, and published your spotlights before hitting the Go Live button. You have until the 30th of June, but if you do not complete the process by then, your LMS will be upgraded automatically. If you are in need of more guidance, visit our knowledge base or speak to an Access representative, such as your account manager or dedicated CSM. They will be happy to assist you to upgrade with confidence. Upgrade today and enjoy the benefits of Access LMS Evo. A whole new way of learning is just a few clicks away.